This is a computer that needs a little bit of cleaning and a little upgrade in terms of its storage system. We're going to add 2 terabytes of hard disk and 1 terabyte SSD. Let's take a closer look on how bad the situation is inside. And oh wow, this is pretty dusty. So yeah, here it is. As you can see, guys. Oh my god, that is so dusty. Well, I'm actually going to put my mask because as you can see, it's so dusty. I'm gonna put a surgical mask. I hope it helps me not inhale all this dust. And yeah, here we go. Unfortunately, I don't have a backyard or something where I can dust off all this dust. I am here in my room and I will just vacuum everything once I'm done. Okay, so for now we're going to wipe off the biggest dust just to start off a little bit, and then... So let's start with the graphics card. Luckily, this graphics card doesn't have a PCIe power connector, so it's pretty easy to remove. There we go. And this is a GTX 1050 Ti. Look at this little card. It's even smaller than the GTX 1060 I have reviewed. And this is the motherboard. Look at how dusty this thing is. Just take a look at that. What's up, guys? It's early in the morning now. It's 7:30 a.m. almost, and I was working with this computer yesterday. I started it at 9 p.m. and I finished at 11. It's actually not finished yet. I was so tired, so I slept. Pretty much halfway there. I already installed the motherboard, the power supply yesterday, the fan. I only need to install one more fan here on the back. Let me show you the components we're going to install to upgrade this computer. And let me see, the first thing I'm going to grab is, here is the hard disk drive. This is a 2 terabyte hard disk from Seagate. There's also a 1 terabyte SSD. be honest, in order to secure an SSD, you only need to. It's not that heavy, so I think I'm just gonna put two screws. This is never going to fall off. The hard disk on top,